y'all see this though? Call me Papi Chulo.
Papi Chulo. Call me Papi Chulo.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be revealing top secret information.
Top secret.
This is the best gel for curly hair. Period. I'm a gel type of guy. Gel is actually the most important part of my hair care routine. Besides deep conditioning.
Nothing is more important than deep conditioning.
But as the saying goes, a good gel is hard to find. There are so many out there, and it can be a real challenge trying to figure out which one is best for you. A few months ago, I found a gel, and I've already bought 3. I've already bought 3 bottles of it. I love it so much for these reasons. In a gel, I look for hold, slip, moisturization, and most importantly, definition. And this gel has all 4 of those. The Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Now this gel is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, and this is actually one of the most natural gels on the market. I think it's like number 2. I don't know what it's second to, but I'm gonna have to figure out so I can try that one too. But when you check the ingredients, this gel checks out everywhere. This gel really does have amazing ingredients. Now this gel claims to eliminate frizz, define your curls, lock in moisture, give brilliant shine, and provide long-lasting hold. That's a lot. But I honestly have to say that it holds up to all of these claims, which is just freaking mind-blowing. I can't believe it every time I think about it. Like all of that just in a freaking gel? What? This must have came from heaven. It smells pretty good too. It smells like, it sort of smells like cake. Like really smells like cake. Like legit. It smells really yummy, and the texture of this product is like snot, which is pretty cool because it provides so much freaking slip. Like the slip in this is better than the Aussie Moist conditioner, and that's freaking slip. Like this is the slip god. Slip god. Just when you thought Aussie Moist was the best you were getting, this thing showed up, silicone free and everything. So, you know, I mean, what can I say? What can I say? Now, when applying this gel, I made sure my hair was soaking wet because the directions on the bottle say, for coarse hair, make sure your hair is dripping wet while applying the product. So I just take a decent amount and I just work it in my curls, sort of raking it through. And the really cool thing about this gel is I can use it by itself. Like I literally use it with no other products, no leave-in, no nothing, just the gel. It's freaking... In this clip, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and I am now just adding the gel. And it's crazy because I would never trust any product just to use alone on my hair, but like, I just put so much trust into this gel because it's so freaking amazing. Like it's incredible. Now this product retails for $16.99 and you can find it at Target, but I will leave an Amazon link down below in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and check out other people's reviews. You don't just have to take my word for it, and that is an affiliate link, so if you do decide to purchase it, then it sort of helps me out, sort of as a way to support the channel, you know. And once I've applied all the gel to my hair, this is the final result. Shablam, shabloo, kablam, kastoo. I need to start using that a little more. Washing goes with this gel literally take me 15 minutes max, and it's just because the gel has so much slip. It makes your hair so manageable, and it just gets the job done like that. Like it's literally freaking mind-blowing, like literally. So this is the best gel that I've ever found for curly hair, and I am so glad I found it. Now I want to know what gels you guys are using. So comment down below what your favorite gel is at the moment so I can check them out, because I love trying new products. And lastly, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Hey, 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 hey.
Really, Koby?
Wonder what it tastes like. One time I brushed my teeth with my toothbrush that I use for my edges,